Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we speak about, what is happening, in America people, like President Trump. I send, a message to President America, Trump. He must stop what he's doing the people of the Minnesota, because Minnesota people is civilian people. That's why they must this guy making discrimination. We are not need discrimination, because we are more ethnic in Somalia. Somalia people, we are unhappy, we are envious, we are angry. That's why what he's doing, Mr. Trump must stop what he's doing, because these people are our people. We need those people, because there are many American people in Somalia. There is troops. That's why we are concentrate. We are focused on what they are doing in Somalia. We need peace. Must stop, Mr. Trump, what you are doing in the America, apart from Minnesota area. That's why this people is civilian people. Civilian people. We are not using the power of the American people, because before Trump, you were a rich businessman. Thank you. You are today. We are very happy how to give the message to send Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump, stop what you are doing. Stop what you are doing. After I give advice to American citizen Somalian, must talk. Because you are citizen people. That's why you have passport. You have an ID. That's why you must talk in the population of the people. Thank you, all of the mass media. You are welcoming. We shall meet another time better than this time. Thank you.